So this time we are still going to calculate how to find a side length from our trigonometry ratios, but this time we're going to do a different kind of working out. So we'll leave that one there. And I want to point out that in this one, our unknown, or our x, is on top of the fraction over here, okay? Now if it's on top of the fraction, we can move this 4 over here using our multiplication, but it becomes a bit tricky if this x is on the bottom of the fraction. All right, so we're going to do an example where that happens. So we'll just move the paper so you can see. Sorry, there we go. All right, so here is our triangle. Remembering it's always going to be a right angle. And let's go with this. Our unknown this side is here. Our angle is this one, remembering that that is theta. This one's going to be 31 degrees today. And this side is going to be 11 meters. So again, draw our triangle, label our side. First thing I do is label them. So here is our hypotenuse. It is across from our right angle, h for hypotenuse. And we've got here, this one is sitting next to the angle out of theta, so it is an adjacent side. So draw my triangle, label my sides, and now I have to write out my information. I've got h equals x, I've got a equals 11 meters, and I've got theta equals 31 degrees. So I've got an a and a h. If I just zoom to my rules, we've got to find the one with the a and the h, and that would be cos. So we are going to use the cos rule today. Sorry. All right, so cos of theta equals adjacent on hypotenuse, and we can work with that now. And we can substitute values in. So cos of 31 is equal to 11 on x. Now this is what I said before. Now the x is sitting on the bottom of the fraction. So that's going to make things a bit different. So we have to think about how we're going to do that. Now I can go through the long way of rearranging, but I want you to know the short way. And the short way is that we are going to flip these and switch them places so that the x pops up here on the other side of the equals, and it's going to put the cos of 31 down here at the bottom of the fraction. So 11 stays where it is, and cos of 31 goes over here. So you can see that they've switched places now, and now this is something we can do on our calculator. So if we get our calculator, turn it on, and actually go 11 divided by, I'm going to put this in brackets, cos of 31, and we have to shut each bracket, and then we get an answer of x equals 12.83, and our units were meters, so that is exactly how much our hypotenuse side is. So you can see there's two methods of substitution and rearranging, and we know that it's when x is on top of the fraction versus when x is on the bottom of the fraction. So it's really important that you can know the difference and be able to figure out which one you need to do.